Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Kurt. Today my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make a key lime pie.
This is a pie that has a graham cracker crust, sweet lime custard, and a light whipped cream topping.
And this recipe was requested by none other than Donald himself.
I'm so excited. Key lime pie is my favorite pie. To start, take an oven rack and place it in the middle position of your oven and preheat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Take a medium-sized mixing bowl and add in 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, which is 18 sheets or 2 sleeves worth of Nabisco graham crackers, and 3 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. Mix these together to combine. Then add in 7 tablespoons of unsalted butter that's been melted and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix these together until they are well combined. Take a 9-inch pie dish, transfer the graham cracker mixture into it, and press the mixture into the bottom of the pie dish and up the sides. We like to use the bottom of a stainless steel measuring cup to pack it in just tight enough so they stick together, but not too tight that the resulting crust is too hard. Bake this pie crust in the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, or until the crust is lightly browned. Let it cool on a metal rack.
At this point, leave your oven on at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then zest lime so you get 1.5 teaspoons of finely grated lime zest for the filling, and half a teaspoon of slightly larger pieces of lime zest as a garnish for the topping. Then juice enough lime so that you get 1/3 cup of fresh lime juice. This will take about 3 to 4 regular limes or 6 to 8 small key limes, depending on the size of your limes. In the bowl of your stand mixer, add in 3 large egg yolks and the 1.5 teaspoons of finely grated lime zest. With a paddle attachment, mix this on medium-high speed for about 5 minutes until the egg yolks look pale and silky. Then add in 1 can, which is 14 fluid ounces, of sweetened condensed milk and the 1/3 cup of fresh lime juice. Continue to mix on medium speed for another 3 minutes, or until the mixture is smooth and well blended. Then pour this filling mixture into the graham cracker crust. We're going to bake the pie in our preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for another 10 minutes, or until the filling is almost set. Let this cool on a metal rack at room temperature for 30 minutes. Then place the pie in the fridge for a minimum of 3 hours to chill completely. The final component of this pie is the whipped cream topping. In the clean bowl of your stand mixer, add in 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. With a whisk attachment, beat this on medium-high speed until you see stiff peaks forming. It should look something like this. Spread the whipped cream evenly over the chilled pie. Finally, sprinkle the half teaspoon of larger pieces of grated lime zest on top as a garnish. Keep the pie in the fridge till you're ready to serve. And there it is, key lime pie. Graham cracker crust, sweet lime custard, and a light whipped cream topping. Ang sarap.
Yum.
So good. I love how light this dessert is.
For me, it's the combination of the sweetness and the tartness that I love so much about this pie.
Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make this key lime pie. Send us pictures of your creations on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Links below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt.
And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified when we post new cooking videos. And for those written recipes, be sure to check out cookingwithkurt.com. Maraming salamat!